Buyer's and seller's remorse is something with which many of us are all too familiar. In the 1969 North Carolina case of Newman Machine Company versus Newman, we explore a stock transaction that a seller continues to try to negotiate 7 years after it took place. George Newman was a majority shareholder of Newman Machine Company, owning about 53% of the shares. He also served as trustee for his children's shares, which amounted to a little more than 11% of the company. In 1959, George sold his and his children's shares back to the company for approximately $135 per share. As a company board member, George had access to the company's business records, including financial reports and other data used to determine fair market value of the company's stock. The day after the stock sale, George entered into a 5-year employment contract with the company. After the completion of the employment term, George began to look into the company's stock value at the time he sold it in 1959. After deciding that the company undervalued the stock when he sold his family's shares, George proceeded to threaten to invalidate the sale and pursue legal proceedings. Although he never took such action, these threats continued for 2 years, cast doubt upon the company's ownership of the shares, and significantly interfered with the company's livelihood and its ability to conduct operations. As a result, the company filed an action to quiet title in trial court to resolve the disruptive claims, casting a cloud upon its title to the shares. George filed a demurrer to dismiss the suit and was denied, so he appealed to the state appellate court. The appellate court reversed the lower court's determination, and the company appealed to the state Supreme Court.